latest news on our website tribune.net.ph and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tribune Now. The Daily Tribune is one with the nation in facing the COVID-19 crisis, and in line with this, the Daily Tribune digital edition on Press Reader is now available for free online. You can also download the Daily Tribune app on Apple Store for iOS users and Google Play for Android users to get the latest and most comprehensive news online. Daily Tribune is also inviting everyone to join its community Viber Katribu to get updates on the freshest and hottest news and entertainment stories of the day. Tarcito emoticons are also available on our community Viber. Just click on the link in this video to join.
Magandang hapon po mga katribu and welcome to Kalingang Katribu. Pag-usapan po natin ang kalusugan at syempre ang pampalakas sa ating katawan. But before anything else, matanong ko nga kayong lahat. Kaya ba natin i-redefine or gumawa ng makeover sa ating buong katawan? Ang sagot ay, oo, kayang-kaya. Please welcome ang ating special guest, si Ellie Abela ng Unlimited Biohacking Recovery Center. Hi, Ellie.
Good afternoon po, Ms. Cory, and good afternoon to everybody watching. Thank you so much for having me here.
Okay, alam mo, Ellie, mysterious, nakaka-intriga ang pangalan ng center ninyo, Unlimited Biohacking.
Opo.
Bakit yata ito? Anong ibig sabihin nito?
Opo, biohacking kasi po, it's kumbaga yung foundational belief po ng biohacking is that yung katawan natin, it's a super self-healing machine. No, the body puts itself back together in thousands of ways. So yung biohacking parang pong hacking ng computer, no, where you hack yung system to get a particular effect. Biohacking is hacking into those particular healing pathways para we can promote healing and also fight disease and ultimately defy death. Yun po yung mission po ng biohacking.
Okay. Is this based on any kind of technology or modality from any part of the world?
Yes, actually, it was started in the US by someone named Dave Asprey. Siya po yung inventor ng bulletproof coffee. Biohacking actually can be done in many ways. There are actually free ways to hack into the healing pathways of the body, but there are also ways to accelerate it with the use of tools, gadgets, and machines, which is what I have in my center.
Oo, tulad na, when you said gadgets and machines, ano-ano yun?
Ito pong naka-video ngayon is our red bed or photobiomodulation. Now, it's the use of light to promote cellular regeneration. Now, this particular machine, tatlo po yung wavelength niya, yellow, red, and near-infrared healing. The yellow is used for skin, for mga UV damage, for lymphatic drainage. The red is used for promoting healing, blood circulation, muscle recovery, fine lines and wrinkles. And then the near-infrared is for deep healing, so tissue healing, kasi it goes into the bone and cartilage and promotes cellular regeneration.
Okay, ito ba ay yung buong kwarto ay exposed sa ilaw na ito o pwedeng intravenous yan?
Exposed sa skin lang po, so topical lang. Pwede namang intravenous, meron din namang pong mga centers which are semi-medical kasi you need medical practitioners to have invasive, diba, intravenously. But mine is non-medical, clinical grade, but already the results are pretty astounding.
Because I am familiar with the IV laser, which is Russian technology, di ba? Ngayon, ito bago yata itong approach. You're exposed to the light.
Opo.
Okay, so explain, how does that work? How does that stimulate healing and beautification, right? And cleansing of the body if it's just on the skin surface?
Opo. So it borrows upon the evolutionary biology, that we evolved around the light of the sun. Diba? So the sun, actually, it's just mimicking yung wavelength ng sun. So sunrise and sunset, that's both red and near infrared. And then some yellow when you get into daytime. So when you notice that when you go out into sunrise and sunset, you immediately feel good. No? Kasi
masarap talagang pakiramdam.
Yeah.
May tao na masama ang pakiramdam, pero instinctively, alam ko, karamihan sa atin, hinahanap po natin ng ilaw. Ay, di ba? Hinahanap po natin ng init ng araw.
Opo. Yes.
Okay, I understand. Okay, continue please.
So, also, kasi we are light beings, yung circadian rhythm po natin, that depends on the cycles of the sun. It depends on yung ilaw, depends, when we sleep, it's signaled by sunset kasi pababa na po yung araw. So the body knows, patulog na ito. Ilalabas na natin yung melatonin kasi in 4 hours. So a lot of our biological signaling galing po sa sun, ina-activate po yan. Now what these machines are doing, minimimic po nila yung wavelength ng sun, pero they amplify yung irradiation. So mas malakas po yung wavelength ng machine compared to when you go out in the sun or sunrise or sunset. Kasi you can't really always get full frontal sunrise sunset, diba? It depends kung saan tayo nakatira or If you're in the beach, probably, but in your own home, it's hard to get sunrise sunset fully.
Oo nga, pero we cannot, pero wala siyang ultraviolet radiation, no?
Wala po, not this one.
Ayun. Okay,
Opo.
so what is the procedure?
The procedure po is just, you have to remove your clothes because it's just like the sun. When you go out, if you have your clothes on po, hindi talaga siya ma-absorb ng skin, di ba? So same thing, you have to remove your clothes except for underwear and then expose yourself fully to the light so that the skin will absorb it. Kasi we have photobioreceptors sa skin po that receives the light. So kung may clothes po, hindi mabablock po iyon.
Okay. And gaano katagal yung treatment na yun?
30 minutes lang po yan. Because our photobioreceptors po, nagko-close rin yan after 30 minutes and then reopens in about 8 hours. So 30 minutes is enough per day for that.
Okay. Yun lang ang treatment sa center ninyo o meron pang iba pa?
Meron po pang iba. I have 7 total machines.
Let's talk about it. Yung unang machine ay itong ilaw na pula, yellow at kulay green, no? Green.
Po, near infrared po.
Okay. So yellow,
red,
near
infrared. Opo.
So anong kulay ang near-infrared?
Wala po siyang kulay. It's invisible to the human eye.
Okay.
Yeah. Infra means above red. So the red is the longest wavelength, but near-infrared is even longer pero invisible po siya sa human eye.
Okay. So siguro,
Opo.
ano ang, back to the first treatment muna, no?
Opo.
Ano ang initial feeling after the treatment?
It's adaptogenic po. So kung ano ang kulang sa cells ninyo, kunyari meron po kayong back pain or meron po kayong rosacea or something, dun po siya pupunta. Kung saan kinakailangan ng katawan, dun talaga siya pupunta. So yung feeling ng tao, iba't iba. But more often than not, ang feeling ng tao ginhawa and inaantok.
Yeah.
Nagre-relax.
Aantokin ako if I tried that. Nako.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo.
So you have to do this once a month.
You can do it. You can do it daily. There's no danger or side effects to doing kasi nga the body is very smart. Nagko-close lang naman yung cells, no? And it's like going out in the sun every day. It's the same thing. It's just
Without
convenient without the sunburn po. Opo. Exactly.
Diba? Okay.
Opo.
So in the end, pag let's say meron kang minimum na number of treatments, do you guarantee some kind of benefit?
Yes, absolutely. So it depends also what you're trying to heal. If it's a chronic degenerative disease, autoimmunity, depression, things of that nature, it will require longer treatment times and more frequent. But if you're, like you, super healthy, super ganda, you just want to maintain and, you want a little bit of prophylaxis like prevention, once a week is okay.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Ganda yun. Okay,
Opo.
second, ang pangalawang machine ninyo?
Yeah. Ayan. So that is the pulsed electromagnetic fields mat kung saan po siya nakahiga at saka kung ano yung nakapatong sa kanya. And then yung ini-inhale po niya is exclusion zone water vapor inhalation. No? So those two, kino-combine po namin yan. And that is also for exclusion zone water vapor. Opo. So itong dalawa po, nagbibigay po siya ng bioidentical signaling for cellular repair. So it repairs oxidative stress. So we've heard about that, oxidative stress. There's too many free radicals, no?
Sino bang walang free radicals sa loob ng katawan,
Exactly.
di ba?
Opo.
Anong naman ng vapor? Anong nasa loob ng tubig?
Ano lang po siya, distilled water, pero yung machine po, kino-convert po niya into that water vapor. Na pag in-inhale ng katawan, yung katawan nire-recognize niya as cellular repair signal. Yun pa ang biohack, yun pong hinahack namin na healing pathway is the repair signal. So,
bakit merong repair signal sa vapor?
It's some I don't know, it's a science that they discovered po, and it's we can get heavy into that. It's the fourth phase of water. So yung cellular structure po natin has cellular water, and it's the fourth phase. It's between solid and a liquid, so it's a gel kind of water. Now that gel kind of water, it weakens in signal dahil may sakit ka or you have depression or you're injured. Ngayon, when you reinforce that signal with an identical kind of water structure, the body will receive that and start to heal itself and start to amplify yung signal niya for repair. It's a little bit sciencey, but that's as simple as I can put it.
Does this have anything to do with what Dr. Emoto from Japan discovered? That water can heal?
Absolutely. In a way, yes, because we Masaru Emoto, it's conscious water. So yes, in a way, water can hold memory. No, and if we can structure water with just our own thoughts and good intention before we drink it, and then
ito sample. Yan, tulad sinasabi ni Ellie, ako rin. Kasi naniniwala po ako doon sa studies base sa mga pag-aaral ni Dr. Masaru Emoto. Talagang pinag-aralan na yan sa Japan. they took a photograph, di ba, of water crystals. Yung simpleng tubig, na tubig lang, na hindi mo pinagdasalan. Yun. Pinagdasalan because for want of a better word, na parang pinapasok mo yung intention mo
Opo.
na dapat inosente at purong intention po natin.
Opo.
Parang kinakausap po natin yung tubig. Siyempre, it sounds like it's crazy, di ba? Pero sa totoo lang, this is really a science.
Yes.
Buhay ang tubig. Lalong-lalo na yung tubig galing sa ilog, di ba? Sa dagat. Lahat ng tubig na yon, buhay na buhay. Okay, so yung
Yes.
tubig na yon, say, galing sa waterfalls. Minsan pumunta ako sa Mount Banahaw, ininom ko yung tubig galing sa waterfalls. Wow, ang sarap, ang tamis ng tubig. Yung tubig na yon, napaka-natural at saka has not been touched by man. So, it is natural, pure natural. So, sabi daw ni Dr. Emoto, you please bear with me lang, Ellie, because I'll explain to our viewers. When you program the water, you just hold the glass and then bago mo inumin, parang bubulungan mo yung tubig. Or you will transfer your thoughts, your pure thoughts. Let's say ang gusto natin ay paghihilom, healing. So you will just say to the water, perfect healing, perfect healing. Ayan. Tapos, inumin ng tubig.
Yes. I believe
Sabi
that.
daw, yung tubig na yon ay magbabago sa kanyang structure, papasok sa ating katawan, at maghe-hello. Kakamustahin niya lahat ng mga cells po natin na 75% water ang ating mga cells. So, they will meet and then nandun na yung programming. I know it sounds so esoteric and mysterious, pero sige, i-google nyo. Lalabas yun. Dr. Masaru Emoto. Okay, that was kasi the vapor. I got intrigued by the vapor.
Opo.
Okay,
Yes.
so pag pinasok yung vapor na yon, okay, ano naman yung mga machine?
Yeah, so pag pinasok yon, there's a cellular repair that happens. So hindi po yung machine yung nag-heal ng katawan. Nagbibigay lang po siya ng support para ma-recognize ng katawan na, it's time to do some healing. No? So, kasi we're giving parang salvavida. Pag sobrang injured and sick yung tao, mahirap kasi mag-signal ng repair. So, the machines, nagtutulong sila para i-amplify yung signal. And then the body heals itself. Siya mismo ang nag-heal. Yeah. And then it's the same with the mat. Yung kanya pong, the one that he's lying down on. Ano po yun? Have you heard of grounding?
Yes.
Yeah. Ayan
Pag
po.
barefoot tayo sa lupa, ayan, nag-ground na tayo. Gina-ground po natin ang ating energy body sa lupa. Yan.
Opo. Exactly. So, yung nangyari sa grounding, yung mga free radicals and mga toxins, nire-release dahil kinukuha ng mga negative ions. No? And then we absorb yung power of, the earth, the healing power of the earth. Yung mat, it's like grounding on steroids. So, mas mataas siya and mas malinis. And yung mga protocols niya, I have 146 protocols po, from osteoporosis to chakra healing to meditation to depression to viral infection. So, marami po siyang settings, whatever is going
You
on.
have for parasites also?
Meron po. Opo.
Meron for parasites. Okay.
Yes.
Also for fungus and mold?
Yes, anti-aging. It even has settings for animals. Kasi they're the same. Yeah.
Okay.
Opo.
Very interesting. Next?
Yes. Next? What's our next? Ayan. Ito po, this is exercise with oxygen therapy. So, we use a bicycle and a mask to breathe in 93% oxygen. No? 15 minutes lang po yan. What we're doing is we're trying to increase yung oxygen saturation ng katawan. So if you've heard of hyperbaric oxygen, have you heard of those chambers? Yeah. Now, it takes 2 hours, to inflate, deflate, and then you have to just stay there lying down for 2 hours. This machine, this exercise with oxygen therapy, it only takes 15 minutes. the oxygen level stays for 3 days. And you know, oxygen is life. Oo, opo. Oxygen is life, no? We heard the COVID patients who didn't do so well, hypoxic po sila, mababa yung oxygen levels nila. And even for all other disease, kasi when you're hypoxic talaga, that just means there's inflammation that cannot be controlled. And so doing this will allow you to recover, especially for athletes, no, who are always inflamed, no, because of what they do to their bodies. This helps them recover faster. But not just athletes, maganda rin po ito sa mga senior na hindi masyadong kumikilos at saka kailangan ng oxygen, no?
Or tinatamad mag-exercise o
Tinatamad.
walang lakas ng katawan.
Opo, yeah. Opo. So this can help them. They don't have to use the bike. They can use other things. Maybe do a little bit of squatting just to get oxygen in their bodies. So,
Interesting.
yes.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4. Ayan po. Near-infrared sauna po yan. So, ito po.
Yan, ang mukhang gusto ko.
Ayan po. So, this is different. It's not just any sauna, no? Kasi it uses near-infrared light.
Yan ang gusto ko.
Opo, yung near-infrared light po, that penetrates up to 9 inches sa katawan. So, it also hits cartilage and bone and blood as well. And then, pag kinumbine po yan sa heat, it mobilizes heavy metals. So, kunyari po may root canal or mercury, amalgams, that's heavy metals in the body that you need to kailangan ilabas. So this near-infrared sauna, yan po yung nagpapatanggal ng heavy metals. Kasi we all have heavy metals eh.
Ay, lahat. Lahat ng pagkain natin, diligtas
Opo.
yan sa heavy metals. Yung isda nga, mataas sa mercury.
Opo.
Wala namang organic fish.
Opo,
Ano
yeah.
yan? So, yung gulay, may fertilizer,
Yes.
may mga pesticides kung hindi siya organic.
Opo. And also our makeup po. I don't think people are aware. Ang taas ng
Opo.
arsenic, cadmium, and lead ang makeup po nating mainstream. At saka even our shampoos, all of that cleaning products, it's super high in heavy metals. Yeah. Also, nagtatanggal din siya ng arthritis,
I like that.
muscle pain.
Ayan.
Opo.
Ilang minutes ang treatment na yan?
25 minutes lang po kasi napakainit niyan. Nako, talagang matutunaw po kayo dyan kung more than that.
Hindi. Ako kaya ko yung init. Ang ayaw ko yung lamig.
Okay. Opo. Pero lamig po, that's another biohack ha. Favorite po namin yan.
Ayoko.
Cold showers.
Sa Korean serve dati. Minsan pumunta ako sa Korean spa bago yung mag-pandemic. Ang ganda ng kanilang spa. Papasok ka muna sa malamig.
Opo.
Hindi, sa mainit. Ang kwarto ay nakapaligid yung salt. Parang salt lamps eh. Ang lahat ng pader, ang buong pader merong salt. Salt, parang salt-bedded room. Wall-to-wall salt.
Opo.
Tapos, pag pinawisan ka na ng gusto, papasok ka naman sa isang kwartong sobrang lamig naman na parang freezer.
Opo.
Ay, hindi. Mayaw ako. Ayoko. Sa
Oo,
malamig.
Opo. Mahirap talaga po yun. Kailangan ng baby steps ang lamig talaga.
I know. So, but you have that treatment now. That's treatment number 5. Pero yung balik tayo sa far infrared. Is that near infrared, no?
Opo, near po.
Near infrared. Yung near infrared, ilang minutes yun? 15 minutes din?
25 po. But if you are under stress, it's okay. Or it's a child, no, na kailangan pumunta. 15 minutes is fine, even 10 minutes. But the standard procedure is talagang 25 minutes lang.
Okay. So, pag meron kayong pasyente na gustong mag-try ng mga maraming treatments, kaya ba gawin lahat
Opo.
sa isang araw?
Opo. It's actually recommended kasi they're all synergistic. So we call that hack stacking. So you stack all the machines in one day. Opo.
Bakit hindi?
Yeah.
Ay, nako.
Sige po.
I would like to share that information with, even sa column ko sa Daily Tribune,
Opo.
Beyond Wellness. Oh,
Ay,
di ba?
okay. Yes
Maganda
po.
yun. Sige, I will talk to you later about that. Ayan mga katribo, binabasa nyo ba ang aking column? Beyond Wellness every Saturday sa Daily Tribune. Okay, sa aming pagbabalik, more exciting treatments for anti-aging. Huwag po kayong aalis.
Iba ng panahon, dami ng bago ngayon. Pati ang mundo natin, well, nagbago na rin. Buti ang bayan, bigger, better na. You can buy it sa centers, pati sa mga parties, may online pa at app. You can buy it with your fingers, still don't remittance and more. Online shopping, you can buy it all. Di magpadala, you can buy it all. Anumang pera transaction, you can buy it all.
Sabayan ang pagbabago ng mundo for all your pera transactions, all new Bayad.
Magsha-shopping na lang ako!
Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Hello, can you get the following? One pink chair, bed sheets na pink yung soft ha, tapos slides, size 8, pajamas na blue. Oh, don't forget ang...
Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Wait lang, okay ba yan?
Anything at the SM store, ma'am.
Call to deliver. Call.
Kuya, pwede rin ba ako magpa-deliver sa ate ko sa Taguig, tapos sa friend ko sa Davao, tsaka sa cancel ko sa Lipa? Okay ba yan?
Kahit saan po, pwede kami mag-deliver.
Call to deliver. Call. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver. Call. Hashtag 143SM. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Call na rin kayo.
Call to deliver.
Ayan, welcome back mga katribo. Pinag-uusapan po natin, syempre ang feature po natin ay anti-aging, cleansing, and overall well-being. Ang guest po natin ay si Ellie Abela ng Unlimited Biohacking Recovery Center. Ang keyword dyan ay biohacking. Kaya ba natin i-hack ang ating katawan, ating utak? Ang sagot ay, opo, yes na yes. Ayan, we have shout out mga nanonood ngayon. Delac Bunsiritum, Marcy
Hi.
Linaw, Lars Alex, Arlene Florentino. Arlene will go visit Ellie. Owen, syempre, Ren, Larry, Tope, Belia. Then I know that Nash is watching and Pamela Maligaso. Marami pa, pero hindi na ilagay lahat ang mga pangalan ng mga taong nanonood, mga kaibigan po natin. Ayan, si Comfy Manalo. Ayan. Okay, so Ellie, treatment number 5. Tama ba? Number 5 na ba? O
Opo.
6?
Yes. Kaya yata. Ayan po. Brain training po.
Ayan ang gusto ko.
Opo. Nako, sanay po tayo pumunta sa gym para sa katawan natin. Pero kailan po natin na na-ensayo yung brain? Diba? Ito po. Ito po yung signature namin, treatment namin. Kasi yan po, state-of-the-art software po yan na nagbibigay ng impormasyon sa brain natin kung ano po yung kailangan niyang ayusin.
Oo.
No? Ngayon, ang brain kasi naayos niya ang sarili niya. Wala lang talaga siyang data kung ano yung kailangan niyang ayusin, 'di ba? Kasi kung merong sira, hindi mo alam kung ano nga ayusin kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung sira. Now, to simplify it lang po, the machine gives feedback. Kaya ang tawag po dito ay neurofeedback. binibigyan po niya ng data yung brain na, oy, kailangan mo itong i-organize. Yung brain mismo po ang gumagawa ng reorganization ng sarili niya. Kaya very organic po
Stimulation.
ito.
Stimulation, may visual stimulation nakita ko.
Hindi po. It's not visual po. It's auditory. So, ginagamit po niya negative feedback.
Ah,
Opo, negative feedback. And then the brain, actually, it's the subconscious part of the brain na nagre-respond dyan. And the subconscious part of the brain makes 1.8 million bits of connections per second. So it is the more effective
so
part.
neurotransmitter natin. Okay, 1.8 million. What is that part of the brain called?
The subconscious part of the brain.
Subconscious.
Oo.
So you are on alpha level.
Actually po, it balances lahat po ng brain waves. All of them. And then we leave it up to the brain to organize itself. We leave it up to your brain mismo po.
Interesting.
Oo.
I need ilang minuto yan?
33 minutes lang po.
Siguro I want to start with that muna.
Yes. Opo. This is a must-do for everybody. Yung lahat ng package po namin, kasama po yan. It has to be Oo, yan ang pinaka-importante namin. Kaya we made it the last one kasi that's the crowning glory of Unlimited.
Pero can that be is that all in sequence o pwedeng mag-umpisa muna dyan?
Any po. Wala pong kailangan i-sequence po. But people usually start with this one.
You see?
Yes. Yes, perfect.
Anday na.
Opo.
Paglabas mo dyan, genius na tayong lahat, mga kaibigan, mga katribo.
So yung mga condition po na tinutulungan niya. Ano po?
Nawawala ang stress. After that session, nawawala yung stress.
It depends po kung ano yung kailangan your brain will decide kung ano yung kailangan niya. So, iba't iba po yung experience ng tao. Depende kasi yon. So, kunyari po kulang kayo sa tulog. Yung tulog nyo, hihimbing that night. Kunyari po, you have depression. Your depression will lift somewhat. Your stress also will, it depends eh. So, it's also being used for mga Alzheimer's, mga depression, autism, bipolar, ganyan.
Or Parkinson's, pwede rin.
Opo. Yes. Basta
Parkinson's.
any brain condition, kaya po. Oo.
Have you had any success stories with that machine?
Absolutely. Yes. A lot. One of them notably, because I have a practice with kids with special needs, I had somebody on the a child 4-year-old on the spectrum with tantrums and walang eye contact, ganyan. Siguro after 3, she settled na, her mood became better. Opo, autistic po siya. Put her on this machine. And then after 10, parang na siyang ibang tao. After 10 sessions, she's, nag-eye contact na, tapos, no more tantrums po. Smiling, and then, yeah. Yeah. Pero opo, it's not treatment po.
I need yung mga testimonials.
Sige po, I will get them. Opo.
It's just supportive of, di ba? Yan hindi naman ang tinatawag mo dyan, hindi naman treatment, kundi
Opo,
training.
Training po.
Exercise.
Exactly. Yun po yun.
Training.
Opo.
Because you can train the brain. Kahit anong
Yes.
edad natin po, kaya natin i-train ang ating utak.
Exactly. Yes.
Correct.
Exactly. Opo.
Tell us something about yourself, Ellie. Paano mo pinasukan itong business na ito? Na parang advocacy na rin yun, no? How did you get into this?
Opo. I chanced upon it 5 years ago when I was looking for something. When you're always looking for something, you're always seeking, and then you see something on TV or you see something on Facebook, and then it just hits you. Ganun po yung nangyari sa akin. I just followed the signs. Tapos pinag-aralan ko po lahat ng biohacking, lahat ng machine, lahat ng... And then, yung advocacy ko kasi gusto ko kasing to to make available dito sa Pilipinas para sa kababayan natin. Para mabigyan sila ng, another alternative ng paggagamot ng sarili. Diba? Kasi during COVID, medyo we were backhanded slap yun eh. We don't know what hit us eh. But now yung advocacy ko is I want to teach people na, strengthen yung immunity para kahit anong COVID, whatever, kaya natin. Diba? We will rise above it. Kasi malakas tayo.
Ay.
Opo.
Okay. Ano yung mga protocols nyo sa clinic because of this safety protocols, di ba? So it's by appointment lang? Ganun ba yun?
Right now, yes, it is by appointment. We're only open 3 days a week right now. And then we have full PPE, we have yung mga sanitizers, we have UVC lights in our studio na giant, and then every room has UVC, and then we treat it before people come in. Yun. So yeah, we have full protocols naman po, but we're also confident na we're COVID resistant because our air purifiers are NASA technology even before COVID po. Biohackers kasi are so particular about the air that we breathe, the water that we wash with, the food that we eat, all of that even before COVID happened.
Okay, ito. Sa Netizens Corner naman po tayo. May
Opo.
nagtanong si Menlo ng Ortigas, what are biohacking supplements? Meron ba? At saka meron bang risks ang biohacking?
Yes, good question. Yung biohacking po, minsan, it goes to the direction of playing God sometimes, where there's genetic modification na there are some biohackers, yun ang ginagawa nila. So yung tinatanong niyang biohacking supplements, there are these smart brain drugs. Kung napanood niyo po yung Limitless na movie,
Yes.
parang ganun po. It can be dangerous, no? Kasi there are people the biohackers that go that route. Ako naman po, I do not believe in that. I believe in ethical, organic, self-healing na we were born with, not to
Yes.
enhance it or destroy it or, play God at
Yes.
all. So,
Repair it lang. Repair and rejuvenate.
exactly. Yes.
Ito naman, Greg ng Mandaluyong, is this helping achieve physical, mental, and emotional change? Such as, pwede bang losing weight or reducing depression symptoms?
Absolutely good question. For me, the real world epidemic is lack of sleep. No, people are not sleeping, lalo na nung COVID, lalo na, when we were locked down. So, kung maayos lang po yung tulog ng tao, ang depression ay magle-lessen. Ang cancer malilesen, ang Alzheimer's malilesen. Kasi lahat naman yan is, Did you lose me? Back.
Yes, we lost you. Okay.
Okay, I'm back. So going back to that, the sleep, the real epidemic of the world, it's not Alzheimer's or cancer or depression, it's lack of sleep. So as soon as we build, the ability to sleep well and to sleep deeply, people will have fewer cases of cancer, fewer cases of Alzheimer's and all of that. My machines, that's the first thing that they fix is sleep. And pag nag-fix yung sleep po, ang daming magagamot sa katawan. Ang daming mawawalang ailments or illness talaga. So yes, on an emotional level, physical level, spiritual level, and on a mental level, when your sleep is good, all of that will improve tremendously. So that's where I'm coming from. Start there.
Mula kay Bart ng Pasig, pwede bang i-biohack ang buong bahay?
Yes, good question. Opo. So, kami pong mga biohackers, iba po yung aming tinutulugan. Meron po kaming mga trackers for sleep, like this ring. And then, what we put in our air, yung air purifiers namin, iba rin. Yung water namin, iba rin. So yes, meron kaming blockers of EMF, yung mga Wi-Fi, yung mga 5G. Binablock po namin yan.
Yes,
So,
of course. At
Opo.
saka for this one,
opo, yes,
for
this
the
one.
phone.
Yes.
Anong ginagamit nyo for to biohack to
Exactly.
protect you from electromagnetic radiation?
Yeah, so yung pinakauna pong way to biohack is really to lessen your toxic load. So kailangan po talaga your inflammation is under control. No, that's your ultimate defense eh. Kasi kung malakas po kayo, the EMF can't touch you, no? But if let's say you want extra protection, there are discs that you can buy which are scalar discs that supposedly bind the EMF waves. No, so we have that in all corners of Unlimited, also in my house. And then also harmonizers po. Harmonizers are supposed to keep your frequency in Schumann resonance, which is the magnetic field of the earth. So when you have that on, your body recognizes Schumann resonance and it won't veer away from that magnetic field. So it's woo-woo, I know, but
No. Would you believe, member ako ng Schumann. Ng Schumann group sa Facebook. Schumann Resonance.
pa rin po. Perfect.
So, instinctively, nagbabiohack na rin ako.
Exactly.
Oh, so, all right. Very nice. So, would you like to invite our televiewers? I think may isa pang tanong. Sandali lang. Kulang
Opo.
tayo sa oras, pero may nagtanong, Wina ng Cubao, what are the ways to hack your biological age so that you can look and feel younger?
Wonderful question. Thank you for bringing that up. Kasi ako po, I have a biological age scan in Unlimited, no? I'm turning 49, but my biological age is between 29 and 33 because of biohacking. No, there are so many ways to hack. The first rule of biohacking is remove all kryptonite. Remove everything that causes inflammation. From food to EMF to bad water, bad people, stressful situations, TV, the news, anything that causes inflammation, tanggal lahat yon. That's the first rule. And then other ways, go out in the sun more. Go out in the trees and the forest and the mountain air, the sand and the sea. Have fun with your kids, laugh with them. Social engagement and interaction is a DNA code that we were evolved with. So yun, mga ganyan. Simple ways lang po.
Simple. O sige, sama mo yan sa listahan ha, for the tips.
Okay.
Okay, so last words for our katribu.
Yes, I'm inviting everybody to come to Unlimited Biohacking Recovery Center. What my real message is that your body can heal itself, and you are equipped with everything that you need to thrive. Death is an inorganic disease, and you can absolutely control your biology so that your biology does not control you. And I'm here to teach and to help and to guide everybody towards that path of self-healing and self-responsible wholeness.
Okay, Ellie, meron bang school to teach biohacking or course?
Meron po. I took the Human Potential coaching under Dave Asprey's Biohacking Institute. Pero po, you know what? Everything that I know now, available po siya kasi sa mga articles, sa mga videos, YouTube, podcast. If you're an avid researcher at saka nagbabasa and nag-watch ng YouTube, you can glean lahat ng information na sinabi ko today and more for free.
Okay,
So,
yung bulletproof na yan, napaka-popular kasi bulletproof virgin coconut oil ang ginagamit. Or
Opo.
ginagamit MCT.
MCT po.
Yeah,
It's the original.
Reducing triglyceride. Galing naman sa pinakapuso, pinakakaluluwa ng virgin coconut oil. Pero,
Opo.
yan, sa susunod na lang yan. How to
Opo.
bulletproof your whole life.
Opo.
Di ba? Ang bubuhay natin,
Yes.
bakit hindi?
Opo.
So, contact
Perfect.
numbers, Ellie. Contact numbers.
Yes, you can call me at 0908-891-4567. Our address is 123 Pioneer Street, Mandaluyong, the yellow warehouse right beside PNB Pioneer.
Ayun. Okay.
Opo.
Wait,
Yes.
contact numbers ulit. 0,
908
yes,
891
891
4567.
4567. Tapos yung mga binanggit nyo na mga gadgets, pwedeng bilhin sa center ninyo?
Not yet po, although dun po ako magba-branch out next time. For now, it's usage lang for now. But I will
Okay.
branch out po there next soon.
Okay, excited ako. Bumisita sa inyong napakagandang Unlimited Biohacking Recovery Center. Yan po ang dapat natin gawin para sa atin. Nang sa ganon, mamahalin po natin ang ating sarili just a little bit better. Thank you so much, Ellie Abela.
Thank you po,
I'll see you
Miss
soon.
Cory. Yes, see you soon.
Okay? Take care, ha? Take care. Ayan po
Opo.
mga katribo, ang biohacking. Kaya po natin gawin yan. Nang sa ganun, magiging mas malusog po tayo, mas malakas, at mas maginhawa po ang ating buhay. For Kalingang Katribo, this has been Cory Quirino. Be safe, stay safe, be happy everyone.